In your other hand, use your both your hands. No comma, period. Wow. Who did those? You're just so Did you bring sunglasses today? Oh no.
It's recording already. Yes. What am I doing? We're on our way to Palm Springs. I got pulled back to myself, you know, like, whoa. This is my tour. Okay, my bed's right here. I got my pillow and my thing. I got a blanket. Well, it's my sweater, but it's a blanket. My shoes are down here. My tissues right here. My bag, my sister's bag, you know. Tetris back there. That's it. Bye bye.
A-Town. A-Town down! Ah.
Welcome to my room tour. This is my room. Oh wait. This is the kitchen.
Ooh.
This is a closet. I don't know what's in there. This is our other bedroom.
It's a living room.
This is my parents' room. This is another restroom. And that's keep it down.
Oh shit.
This is our
Balcony?
balcony. Yeah, that one.